Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, make sure Chrome is updated and you've saved any unsaved work. Once ready, open a new tab and navigate to Chrome//flags. In the search box, type automatic tab discarding. You must find the specific experiment flag. This step locates Chrome's tab discard control, which is the only built-in switch that prevents background tabs from being automatically reloaded. Stay focused. The next step changes that flag and forces Chrome to keep tabs alive. Once you've located the automatic tab discarding flag, change its drop-down from default or enabled to disabled. Make sure to click Relaunch now so Chrome restarts and the setting takes effect. This tells Chrome not to discard background tab contents and prevents refresh when you return. After relaunch, open Chrome//discards to confirm tabs show as non-discardable. If any tabs still refresh, make sure extensions or system memory pressure aren't forcing reloads. Finish by testing. Open a heavy page, switch to other apps for a minute, then return. The page should not reload. If Chrome removed the flag in your version, open Chrome//discards and toggle the auto discardable column to false for tabs you want preserved. If pages still refresh under memory pressure, make sure to close or limit other applications and extensions. Chrome will still reload tabs if the system runs out of RAM. That single troubleshooting tip, reduce memory pressure, fixes most remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.